Once upon a time, there was a beautiful island inhabited by various kinds of birds. The most famous bird on the island was a bird named Mimi, which had stunning feathers and a beautiful singing voice. One day, Mimi flew to the other side of the island and discovered a mysterious forest. The forest was lush and deep, filled with peculiar plants and animals. Curiously, Mimi flew into the forest and embarked on an adventurous journey. Inside the forest, Mimi encountered a wise owl named Wisdom. Wisdom was the sage of the forest and possessed extensive scientific knowledge about birds. Mimi asked Wisdom, "Mr. Wisdom, I have always wondered why birds can fly so high." Patiently, Wisdom replied, "Mimi, birds can fly high because of their unique body structure and the special design of their feathers. Birds have lightweight yet strong skeletons, and their breastbones have a special structure called a keel, which supports the muscles required for flight. Furthermore, birds have lightweight and sturdy feathers that provide lift and stabilize their flight." Enthralled by Wisdom's explanation, Mimi continued to inquire, "Then why do birds have so many different colors of feathers?" With a smile, Wisdom answered, "Mimi, birds have a variety of feather colors. Some are used to attract mates, while others serve as camouflage to evade predators. For example, the beautiful feathers of male peacocks are meant to attract female peacocks. And some birds have vibrant feather colors to attract prey or display their dominance." Impressed by Wisdom's knowledge, Mimi decided to bring this fascinating scientific knowledge back to the island and share it with the other birds. Mimi continued to share, in addition to the marvels of flight and feathers, birds have many other interesting characteristics. For instance, they have excellent hearing and vision. Birds have keen hearing and can perceive tiny sounds that we cannot detect, which is crucial for hunting and communication. Moreover, birds have exceptional eyesight, and many can see long distances to locate food and prey. As the birds on the island continued to showcase their scientific knowledge, Mimi suddenly thought of another intriguing topic. Excitedly, Mimi told the other birds, "There is another remarkable phenomenon about birds, and that is migration. Many bird species undertake long-distance migrations every year, covering thousands or even tens of thousands of kilometers. It's an astonishing feat. They navigate their way by observing the sun, stars, and the Earth's magnetic field. This enables them to find suitable breeding grounds and abundant food resources." The birds listened intently, and they began to discuss the reasons behind migration and specific migration routes. Mimi further explained, "One of the main reasons for bird migration is seasonal changes. When the cold winter approaches, some birds leave the north to find warmer regions, and when summer arrives, they return north for breeding. Migration routes are usually accumulated through multiple generations of migration, with abundant food and suitable habitats along these routes." The birds developed a keen interest in migration, and they started seeking more details from Mimi about the process. Mimi happily answered their questions and shared further knowledge about migration. They discussed different ways of migration, with some birds embarking on long journeys, while others engaged in short-distance migrations. They also talked about the challenges birds face during migration, such as finding suitable resting sites, avoiding predators, and adapting to varying climate conditions. Through this discussion, the birds gained a deeper understanding of bird migration and developed a greater reverence for nature. They decided to collectively safeguard their beautiful home, planet Earth.